So in this course, we can learn for the means how means first I'm telling the how the workflow will be: requirement analysis, schematic capture, ERC verification, footprint assignment, PCB layout and routing, DRC verification, BOM and Gerber generation. So this is our workflow of the PCB designing. So in the that particular this one, so I'm KiCad project setup. So how the new project will be created, understanding of the file structures, grid, units, display settings, page layouting and title block. Next one is the schematic capture. So how the symbol placement will be done, reference and its value assignment, then net labeling and power symbols, then cosmetic for the best practices, then ERC. So for ERC purpose of the ERC, common ERC errors, fixing warnings and errors. Then next one is the symbol editor. So how the new symbol will be creating if the symbol is not available there. So how can we create that particular symbols? Then pin types. There is a different types of the pins are available. Electrical properties, library management. I mean, if there is a different types of libraries are available. So how the library will be managed and net labeling. There is a different types of net labelings are also available, like local and globals. So how local variables will be done and how local global variable will be placed. So yeah, that's the Gerber file generation. And then sorry footprint assignment. In the footprint assignment, understanding the footprint, assigning the footprint to the particular symbol, footprint naming standard, datasheet verification, how the footprint will be assigned, means verified with the datasheets. So that datasheet verifications, footprint creation. If the footprint is not available, how to create that particular footprint? So pad types. There is a I'm already told that there is a two types, that is a through hole and assembly. So pad sizes and drill. There is a drill also. So drill rules, silk screen and courtiers. PCB layout basics, board outline creation, component placement strategy, layers and stack also, grid and routing setups. So how will be grid will be selected, how the routing track will be selected. So this one. Then PCB routing. So in the PCB routing, there is a manual routing and auto routing. So I will be taking both ones, manual routing also and auto route. There is a plugins are available for the auto routing. So auto routings are there also. Power and ground routing, track and width calculations, wire uses and rules. Why we using the wires and what is the rules for that? Design the DRC. So DRC, there is a clearance rules, strike width rules, wire rules, and fixing DRC errors. How the DRC errors will be fixed. So there is a DRC. Bomb generation. What is the bomb? Bomb fields, exporting the bomb, manufacturing best practices. Then Gerber file generation. So Gerber layer overview, drill file generation, Gerber verification, manufacturing ready outputs. So those in the Gerber file generations. Then we are taking two projects, which one is a buck converter using LM2596. LM2596 is a buck converter IC, DC to DC buck converter IC. So we are taking that, like this IC will be maximum input is a 40 volt, and we can take as a output volt 5 volt, 12 volt. So yeah, we can take that example, DC to DC buck converter design. So in that we can select the components and generating the BOM and its Gerber file. Next one is a microcontroller based project. You can give me one idea, so we can design that particular base microcontroller based idea, or I want to give I will take any example for that. So selecting the microcontroller, and then it's a clock, reset circuitry, programming interface, decoupling and grounding methods, manufacture ready PCBs. So this is the overall the course of the overall the syllabus of this course.